In this lesson, we're going to work on rounding, but it's more of a word problem. So let's take a look. Which digits would make the statement true? So if we have a problem like this that says when question mark 57,528 is rounded to the nearest 100,000, the result would be 300,000. So we need to figure out what this number is before it's rounded. After it's rounded, it works out to be 300,000. So first thing to do is find the place value you want to round to so that you would look to the right to see how you would round it. Okay, so the digit one place value to the right of the 100,000 place value is 5. This means we would round the number up. So we're looking at this. We're going to be rounding to the 100,000, right? Because it says round to the nearest 100,000. This is the 100,000 place value. So we look to the right and the number's 5. So that means we would round this up. The question mark would be rounded up. So the number would become 300,000. Remember that you zero out everything after the 100,000 place, right? So we zero everything out after that. So because the missing digit becomes a 3 after we round up, that means the missing digit before rounding must have been a 2. So let's take a look. So let's put the 2 there, 257,528. Rounded to the nearest 100,000 is 300,000. So we round to here. This is the 100,000 place value. So we look here. We look here and round the 2 to a 3 because this is a 5 or greater, right? So this will round up. And that's the end of that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, there's links in the description with other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link in the ebook that'll take you to this direct video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.